Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Elasticsearch indexing for React search features, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start configuring Elasticsearch indexing for your React search features, first, ensure you have Elasticsearch installed and running locally or on a server. Next, create an index in Elasticsearch to store your data. Use the following command in your terminal to create a new index, substituting my_index with your desired index name. Now, define the mapping for your index to specify the structure of your data. You can use a JSON object in your request to define the fields and their types. For example, if you're indexing articles, you might have fields like title, content, and author. Make sure to send this mapping request using a put command via a tool like Postman or curl. After defining your index and mapping, prepare your data for indexing. Transform your data into the format that matches the mapping you specified earlier. Once your data is formatted, index your documents to Elasticsearch using the post method. You can batch index multiple documents to make the process more efficient. Next, set up your React application to communicate with your Elasticsearch instance. Install the necessary libraries, such as Axios, to make HTTP requests to your Elasticsearch endpoint. Create a service file in your React project to encapsulate the logic for fetching and manipulating data. In this service, define functions to perform operations like search queries and retrieving documents. Utilize the Elasticsearch Query DSL to structure your search queries based on user input. You may want to implement features like autosuggest or faceted search for a better user experience. Now, connect your React components to the service functions you created earlier. In your search component, create state variables to manage user input and search results. Use the useEffect hook to trigger search queries whenever the user types in the search box. Map the search results to display them in your UI, showing relevant information from each document. Finally, test your search functionality thoroughly to ensure it meets your requirements. Debug any issues that arise by checking the network requests and Elasticsearch logs. Once everything is functioning correctly, you can enhance your implementation with additional features like pagination or filtering options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.